Let's talk about smart work on the shop floor. Welcome to Learn and Grow with Fun. Are you working in the manufacturing industry? Then this is for you. I'm going to ask you a few questions. Think about your machine before you answer. Before starting your machine, how do you make sure nothing is missed? How do you know the emergency stop will work? How do you notice oil leakage or abnormal noise before breakdown? How do you keep quality same from first part to last part? If a problem happens today, how do you prove you checked the machine? You thought about all the questions. Did you notice one common answer? Daily maintenance checklist. So, what is a daily maintenance checklist? It is a simple written list that tells you what to check on your machine every day. It helps you check safety, machine condition, cleaning, and quality points before starting work. What does the checklist do? It makes sure nothing is missed, even on busy days. It helps you find small problems before they become big problems. It gives you confidence that your machine is safe and ready to run. Why is it important for you? Because safety comes first. Checklist helps prevent accidents. Because a healthy machine gives good quality parts. Because when you fill the checklist, you have proof that you did your job correctly. Checklist is not extra work. Checklist is smart work. When you follow the daily maintenance checklist, you protect yourself, your machine, and your quality. One habit. One checklist. Zero surprises. Comment check if you use checklist daily. Follow and subscribe to Learn and Grow with Fun for real shop floor learning.